Hello students, welcome to Shrigandhe Maths Academy. SJ Shrigandhe is here. In this video, we are going to learn a new concept of algebra of complex numbers. That is, how to add two complex numbers. Let's see. We see this point, how to add two complex numbers, and we see the one example depend on it. Let's see the point. The point is addition of complex numbers. Okay, let me take two complex numbers. Let Z1 equal to a plus ib and Z2 is equal to c plus id be any two complex numbers, then Z1 plus Z2 is equal to a plus ib plus c plus id. Here the value of Z1 is equal to a plus ib and value of Z2 is equal to c plus id. Now we have to add these two complex numbers. Therefore, to add the given two complex numbers, Z1 equal to a plus ib and Z2 equal to c plus id, first we write down these two complex numbers in addition form, that is in sum form of two numbers. Okay, therefore Z1 plus Z2 is equal to, in bracket, value of Z1, that is a plus ib, plus in other bracket value of Z2, that is c plus id. Okay, therefore this is equal to, now a plus ib in this complex number the real part is a, and in c plus id complex number the real part is c. Therefore first we add the real part of both complex number. Therefore in bracket a plus c, a is the real part of Z1 and c is the real part of Z2. Now plus I in bracket, now we add the imaginary parts of both complex numbers. Now in complex number Z1 the imaginary part of Z1 is b and in Z2 the imaginary part is d. Therefore plus I in bracket b plus d. I repeat the concept again. While we write this, Z1 plus Z2 is equal to, in bracket a plus ib plus in bracket c plus id is equal to, in bracket a plus c plus I in bracket b plus d. Why? Because here we add the corresponding real parts as well as we add the corresponding imaginary parts of complex numbers Z1 and Z2 respectively. Clear? Therefore we add here the real part of Z1 plus real part of Z2 in one bracket plus I into imaginary part of Z1 plus imaginary part of Z2. Therefore we get a plus c plus I in bracket b plus d. Okay, now a plus c is the real part of Z1 plus Z2 and b plus d is the imaginary part of Z1 plus Z2. Therefore this can be also written as real part of, that is we write in general as, in general, okay, in general real part of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to real part of Z1 plus real part of Z2. Also for imaginary part same thing. Therefore imaginary part of Z1 plus Z2 is also equal to imaginary part of Z1 plus imaginary part of Z2. Means in general, for given two complex numbers Z1 equal to a plus ib and Z2 equal to c plus id, we write it as real part for Z1 plus Z2 is equal to real part of Z1 plus real part of Z2. Also we can write imaginary part of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to imaginary part of Z1 plus imaginary part of Z2. This is the method, or this is the point of addition of complex numbers. How to add the two complex numbers Z1 and Z2. Now let me see one example depending on this point. Okay, how to add the two complex numbers. Let's see the example. Example is add 2 plus 3i plus 4 plus 3i. Let's see the solution. Now we have to find the value of 2 plus 3i plus 4 plus 3i. Okay, these are the two complex numbers in which the first complex number is 2 plus 3i and the second complex number is 4 plus 3i. Okay, we have to add these two complex numbers. Let's see how to add. let z1 equal to 2 plus 3i and z2 is equal to 4 plus 3i. Therefore z1 plus z2 is equal to 2 plus 3i plus in bracket 4 plus 3i. Okay, now here also we use the same condition. First we add the real part of both complex number and then we add their imaginary parts. Therefore this is equal to real part of z1 is 2 and real part of z2 is equal to 4. Therefore this is equal to in bracket 2 plus 4. Real part of z1 plus real part of z2 plus I in bracket imaginary part of z1 plus imaginary part of z2. Here we see that imaginary part of z1 is 3 and imaginary part of z2 is 3. Therefore this is equal to plus I in bracket 3 plus 3. Now we add these two numbers. This is equal to 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus I into 3 plus 3 is equal to again 6. Okay, therefore we get z1 plus z2 is equal to 6 plus 6i. Okay, therefore we have hence 2 plus 3i plus 4 plus 3i is equal to 6 plus 6i. Okay, therefore we get 2 plus 3i plus 4 plus 3i is equal to 6 plus 6i. Okay, that is real part plus real part is equal to 6, which is real. Also imaginary plus imaginary, that is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Hence we get the answer of this example 2 plus 3i plus 4 plus 3i is equal to 6 plus 6i. This is the method how to add the two complex numbers. Okay, thank you for watching the video.